How to use Python requests to fake a browser visit aka and generate user agent. I want to get the content from this website. If I use a browser like Firefox or Chrome, I could get the real website page I want, but if I use the Python requests package, or wget command, to get it, it returns a totally different HTML page. I thought the developer of the website had made some blocks for this. Question: how do I fake a browser visit by using Python requests or command wget?
Provide a user agent header. FYI, here is a list of user agent strings for different browsers. List of all browsers. As a side note, there is a pretty useful third-party package called Fake User Agent that provides a nice abstraction layer over user agents. Fake User Agent up-to-date simple user agent faker with real-world database. Demo.
I used Fake User Agent. How to use. Output.
Try doing this, using Firefox as fake user agent. Moreover, it's a good startup script for web scraping with the use of cookies. Usage.
I use pyuser_agent. This package used get user admin. Console out.
Website.